What's up, everybody? I am your host. My name is Daddy, and I am learning how to law. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry. Um, this is just my intro because I forgot to put one in a couple of my other videos. So I'm gonna explain to you what's going on real quick. Okay? Please, please, please watch till the end. Please like the videos. Please subscribe if you have not done so, because the next few videos I'm probably gonna be putting in a subscriber only folder. And it's going to be labeled for subscribers and City of Lewiston Police only, or City of Lewiston Attorney only, or something like that, okay? But again, because police and attorneys are involved, only my subscribers are going to be allowed to see this. So in order for the police and attorneys to see this, you're going to have to subscribe, so that way you can actually learn about the law, because you do not know anything about the law based off of our interactions. Right? So thank you very much for watching. If you or a friend want to learn more about the law, I'm going to do my best to teach it in a way that you will be able to understand it. So if you don't understand something that I'm saying, let me know in the comments. Right now, I'm talking in a manner that may seem unintelligible to some. It's because based off of my last interaction with the city attorney, the last 72 hours I have like 20 different documents that I've typed up over the course of, it's been a nightmare, but it's basically been non-stop, all day's worth of typing. If I'm not out dashing, I'm at the computer typing, right? I have, 2 days ago, I took an hour's nap, woke up, had to do family stuff, had to do work, had to do more typing, more typing, more typing. Went to sleep for about 2 hours last night, woke up, I've freaking been typing. I've been looking through all my videos. So, okay, that is what you have in store for you. Like 45 different videos just with my interactions so far with the City of Lewiston Police Department and their attorney's office. And that does not count the mountain of videos and other evidence that I have with the big business. So I'm getting ready to release all of that. I'm just trying to get it all sorted for you to watch. So please, like I said, like the video, subscribe for more, please follow, and please share with as many people as you can, so that way as many of us can get, I want you and your friends to understand the law, so that way if you get stopped just randomly for any whatever reason, you're going to be able to protect yourself. Or if you have a bunch of people with you, right, you're driving in a car and you need to protect somebody, please do me a favor, learn the laws, so that way you can protect not only yourself but the people in the vehicle. This is going to be set out as a short, so please watch all the videos that are to come, but I'm also going to use this as my intro. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Alright, everybody, I'm sorry I've been neglectful. Been going off of, like, yesterday I got an hour's sleep, to this last night, or no, sorry, so 2 days ago I got about an hour's sleep. This last night I got about 2 hours sleep because I've been up typing so much. I've been trying to find all the videos that I can. This is what I found so far, right? I put the ones on one phone in a file called Save for Lawsuit, Don't Delete. These are specifically just videos in regards to what's happened with us in the City of Lewiston Police Department and the City of Lewiston Attorney's Office, and how they violated our rights. So some of these are a 30-minute call, some of these are, where's the other one? Here's an hour down here. Where's it at? Will you focus? Where's it at? Right there, there's the hour. There's a 36-minute one right there above it though. So like you see, like, these are long interactions. These are hella long interactions. And throughout these interactions that we're having, multiple police, cop who's been on the force 2 years, a sergeant who's been on the force anywhere from, because depending on your source, the news says that he's been in police activities between 11 and 15 years, again, depending on the source. And then the guy that he trained, the 2-year cop, he stated verbatim over the call, and I'll let you hear that, but his supervisor is a 20-year veteran of the force, or 20-plus year veteran of the force. I don't remember how it was. You'll see on the call. Oh man, yeah, I'm bloodshot eyes. It's okay. I'm tired. This is worth it though. You all are gonna see. I'm sorry. I'm incoherent. I'm tired right now. Focus. 1 sec. Okay. So what I'm doing now is I just uploaded, because one of the things that the lady in Lewiston stated is that I don't know what I'm talking about, and that I basically, how do I have the authority to teach? I mentioned making videos, but how is that going to benefit the public? So multiple things, right? She didn't take into account our call. She didn't take into account all the information that I gave her. Again, I have all of this publicly available information that I'm asking for that should be free of charge. Right? This is a nice video. She claims multiple times that what I did was not a FOIA request, and yet they're still trying to charge me. It's like $166 for a FOIA request. So I'm trying to explain to her that, hey, not only should this be free of charge, but why I'm right? Why? Right? And then I'm also trying to call and complain because of an incident that I had with her and then the people that she represents, the police department, right? She's not having it because those are her clients. She stated pretty much verbatim, but you're going to see that over the course of the calls, that I don't have to give you any information that pertains to this or that or this, that I don't have to follow federal law, that I only follow state law, that just when I say she violated our rights dozens of times over the course of a single call, like I'm very literal with that. Like dozens could be 20, 24, right? 36, right? No, way more than that. Way more than that. That's what I'm doing over here is I'm going to chop up that video for you. I'm just going to give you, the first couple of videos, I'm going to give you a montage of just all the times that she interrupted, right? Every time she interrupts, she's violating our First Amendment right of expression. If we cannot tell you, if we call in for a complaint, if I cannot voice what happened to me, if you're going to interrupt me, if you're going to stop my train of thought, if you're going to block me from expressing myself, which is one of our fundamentally protected rights. I explained that to you all in a very brief video, but I'm now going to go through, based off of this. None of the police, none of the city attorneys, they don't understand basic human rights, so that's going to be my next video. I'm not going to go to sleep. I'm going to go, because I don't want to wake anybody up. I'm going to go out in the shed and I'm going to go do this. So, what I just showed you is, I opened up, okay, here we go, sorry. This is Shotcut, okay? This is a video editing software. It's completely free of charge. If you all need help, if you want to learn how to do stuff in here, I can show you, okay? So here's that hour-long phone call, okay? It's an hour, 38 minutes. I'm going to play just a small snippet of it. Okay, I'm getting a call. Let's record it. Right. I'm going to skip forward.
Yes, Mr. Cortez. Yeah, can I ask who I'm speaking with?
Yes, my name is Jennifer Tangano. I'm the city attorney for the city of Lewiston and the supervisor for Lorraine Goodson.
Awesome.
Okay, so Jennifer Tangano, city of Lewiston attorney. She's actually listed as the public records custodian. So if you had anything that you needed, like a public record, she would be the one that handles it. She is the gatekeeper, very essentially. And whether by her admission or not, she's the public records custodian. It's listed on the website. And the police department, public records department, stated that FOIA requests, the fee waivers themselves, are not handled by the police department. It's only handled by her. And anything in a FOIA request, even though I could ask for 10 things, she has the legal right to go and say that because I represent the city of Lewiston Police Department, I'm only going to give you two of those 10 things that you asked for, which means that the other 8 things you're not going to get, right? The thing is, she tries to charge a fee for something that should be free of charge. So that's extortion. You can't do that. I explained that to her already. I'm trying to think. Yeah, it's $166 and change, I think, is what they're trying to charge us. But in this call, I gotta actually go through, and one of the other montages is, so one montage I'm gonna do is where she is constantly just interrupting, and violating our First well, violating our First Amendment right, free speech, but she's violating multiple other rights of like freedom of expression, all that, like I just explained. But another montage I'm going to set up for you is how many times did she say this is not a FOIA request, and every time she says that, I'm going to put a picture up of the FOIA request fee, and it'll start small, but every time she says it, it'll get bigger and bigger and bigger until it's like in your face and covering the entire screen and you can't see anything else but that, right? So that's what I'm going to do. That's going to be the other montage. I got a bunch of videos just from this hour-long interaction because from my count, no, I'm not going to, ooh, yeah, that's going to, oh, okay. What I want you to do, I need you to watch the entire video, okay? I need your help. The more comments I get, the better interaction it is. YouTube will put our video out to everybody. I need your help. I need you to count how many times in each video did this lady, the city of attorney, violate our rights. So I'll give you a brief explanation of what we're looking for in the video. So how many times did she, so in the next video, after I explain our fundamentally protected rights, God-given rights, see me talking out loud. I have a very deep voice. I just woke up everybody. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everybody. But see that I blame you, Jennifer Tangano. It was all your fault, literally. But what was I saying? The next video after this, because this is my apology video to you all. I have been neglecting you, but literally for the last 10 months, the city of Lewiston has been trying to screw us royally, and no, I'm not going to stand for that. But I have 45-ish videos just with the city of Lewiston Police Department and Attorney's Office just right here. I got to go through all of that and find the stuff for you that I need. Because if I just play the video, you guys are going to get bored. You're not going to understand anything. I need to chop it up and explain things to you. I'm not hiding anything. I'm literally just showing you this is what we're discussing and this is what happened. The full videos will be released at a later time, but you're just going to get snippets for now so that way I can explain things to you, because Jennifer Tangana made it very clear that I don't know what I'm talking about, and how could I possibly teach anything. So you all are going to find out about my background here as well. So the only people who are going to find this out are my subscribers. So like and follow, subscribe for more, because I'm going to create a new file. It's going to say for subscribers and City of Lewiston only. So because I'm going to be linking all the videos in the document I'm going to be writing, because it's the weekend right now. The government doesn't do business. They don't do business, period, here, but technically they don't get paid to work on the weekends, so they don't do business on the weekends. Right. So that being said, subscribe, like this video. The next couple of videos, I need I need you to actually pay attention, because the next video is going to discuss our God-given universal rights. This is literally everyone in the world has agreed that everyone in the world is entitled to these rights. Everybody, okay? Doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter race, color, status, right? Doesn't matter how much money you have, right? Everyone has the same rights, and I'm going to prove it. I already told you in a previous video. I'll insert that little picture right here, but I'm going to explain it again in a future video. So please, please, please watch the full thing. You are going to learn something, and then the video after that, because once I explain to you these are our rights, I'm gonna then in the next video I'm gonna say this is the specific right we're talking about, and here's the montage now. Okay, so you count how many times she violated our rights in this way, and then let me know in the comments. And in the next video I'm gonna let you know, hey, this is the person that got it right, or these are the people that got it right. So that's how we're gonna do things. So I need your interaction. Please help. Thank you. Hold on. What's up, baby?